So in September, we all joined Zeebu Finance waitlist, and what is next? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to farm the airdrop. Welcome to Airdrop Spot. So there is going to be different stages of Zeebu Airdrop, and the first one, that is for those who have joined Zeebu waitlist. Access to waitlist will end on November 15th, 4 days from now, while the airdrop claim for those who have joined waitlist will be on December 1st. So to participate in this, you need to visit zeebu.fi. If you previously joined the waitlist, then you are going to enter the invite code that you created in this box right here. And if this is your first time, simply enter the code that you can see on the screen 2233445566, or simply get the code in the pinned comments for your convenience, and next you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Now, after binding your account with an invitation code, you can now go ahead and then create your own referral code, which you can use to invite others to the platform. So there are two types of tasks on Zeebu. We have the social task and we have the finance task. Social task starts with following Zeebu on Twitter, and that is the first thing that you would see when you successfully log into zeebu.fi. So I am on Twitter, I have followed Zeebu, and here I am going to enter my Twitter username, and then I'll tap on the verify button. Now, once you have followed Zeebu and you have verified that, you are going to retweet a post on Twitter. So tap on tweet on X. So here is the content that you are to repost on X. You can modify the content to your preference. You can add your own invite code before tapping on the post button. Now, once you do that, you are going to copy the link to the post that you just made, and then go back to Zeebu and you are going to submit the link to that post. Now tap on verify. So by doing this, we just completed the first part of the social task. I'm going to leave the rest for the end of this video, so I'll move on to Zeebu Finance task. I'll tap on complete task. And before we do anything here, I am going to scroll to the top of my screen and then tap on claim zip. And as you can see, I got an error message, and this is just to prove that I haven't done anything yet on Zeebu before making this video. So before we get started with any of the on-chain tasks, I am going to show you how to get your Ethereum on Base network. So I am on MEX exchange. You can go to any other SEX. It is available on Binance. I think it is available on Bybit or any other SEX that you have access to. Okay, so assuming that you have already bought your Ethereum, you are going to tap on withdrawal, and then on network, you are going to choose Base. Now paste your testnet wallet address as the receiver address, indicate your amount, and then just proceed with the normal procedure for withdrawal. And now that you have now gotten your Ethereum on Base network, we are now set to start completing the tasks. So in Zeebu Finance task, we have 5 different on-chain tasks, and I'll be starting with the last one, which is swap. I'll be starting with swap because I bought Base Ethereum and I need to swap it into Zeebu and any other token that I'll be needing to complete the other tasks on Zeebu Finance. And note that if you do not want to interact on Base, you can also interact on Binance Smart Chain or mainnet Ethereum itself, but due to the high cost of a transaction, I will advise going for mainnet Ethereum, so you can stick with Base or Binance Smart Chain. And lastly, I will advise to stick with Base instead of Binance Smart Chain for many reasons. Okay, so we are on the swap interface and I want to swap my Base ETH into Zeebu. I have searched for Zeebu as the receiver token, and I'll indicate the amount of Base ETH that I want to swap into Zeebu. Now I am going to proceed with the swapping. I will tap on swap. I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. By swapping base ETH into Zeebu, we have actually used one stone to kill two birds. We have completed two tasks using one interaction. Number one, we have interacted with the swap task, and we have also interacted with the first task, and that is to hold Zeebu. By simply holding Zeebu in your wallet, you are going to earn ZIP every day. So I'm going to move to the next one, which is to stake Zeebu. I am going to tap on Add Stake. Now, I will scroll up and then indicate the amount of Zeebu tokens that I would like to stake. So I swapped into 7 Zeebu just now, and out of the 7, I'm going to be staking 5 and I'll be holding the other 2 so that I can also earn ZIP from simply holding Zeebu in my wallet. And next, you are going to choose the duration that you would like to stake for. You can stake for as low as 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, or even maximum duration. In order to maximize my reward, I am not going to choose 1 week so that I can continue earning ZIP reward every day until the time when we are going to claim ZIP. So I have entered the quantity. I'm going to tap on Approve Zeebu. I'll tap on Next and then tap on Approve. And now I am going to tap on Add Zeebu. It cannot estimate gas, so simply tap on I want to proceed anyway. Then tap on Confirm. So we just successfully staked Zeebu. Now you are going to earn starting from 2,500 ZIP every day, and I think this ZIP reward is going to be depending on how much Zeebu you are staking. So if you stake more Zeebu, you get more ZIP reward. So right now we have completed 3 tasks. We have completed hold Zeebu, stake Zeebu, and swap tokens. So I am going to move on to hold liquidity pool tokens. The 2 liquidity tokens on Zeebu at the moment are USDC and Zeebu itself. So I am going back to the swap interface so that I can swap some more Zeebu or base ETH, whichever one, into USDC. So I'll be swapping Zeebu for USDC. I'll indicate the amount of Zeebu that I would like to swap for USDC, tap on Next and then tap on Swap. I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. Swap successful. Now, by simply holding on to Zeebu and USDC in your wallet without using it for anything, you are going to earn from 625 ZIP every day depending on the volume of tokens that you have in your wallet. Now, I am going to move on to the last item, and that is to stake liquidity pool token. Now, instead of leaving it in my wallet and earning 625 ZIP, I am going to do more with it by staking it. So I just tapped on that and I will tap on Add Liquidity. It is going to take you to balancer.fi where you are going to be adding the liquidity pool token. So connect with your MetaMask and enter the amount of Zeebu and the amount of USDC that you would like to add. However, one thing that you need to take note of is that whatever amount of Zeebu that you are adding, it has to be on a ratio of 1 to 4. If you are adding $5 worth of Zeebu, you have to add $20 worth of USDC along with it in the liquidity pool. Then check the checkbox at the bottom, then tap on Next. Approve USDC. Approve the spending of USDC in your wallet. Now tap on Add Liquidity. Confirm transaction in your wallet. So we just successfully added liquidity pool token. Remember to make it a ratio of 1:4. If you don't know the appropriate amount of USDC to add, check the dollar value of the Zeebu that you want to add to liquidity and then use your calculator and then multiply that by 4 so that you know the appropriate amount of USDC to add along with it. So this is how to complete all 5 tasks under Zeebu Finance. So now I am going to be moving over to Zeebu Social Tasks. We have already completed the Twitter part of it earlier, so I'm just going to scroll up and then tap on Start Quest on Let's Connect. So in this part, we are going to complete Proof of Humanity and also we are going to link more of our social accounts. So I'm going to tap on Start Quest. And the first step here is to go through the CAPTCHA. Check the I am not a robot checkbox. So that is done. We are going to move on to the second part, and that is validating our wallet. You are going to tap on Connect your wallet. I will agree to terms and conditions. I will tick that checkbox and then choose MetaMask. Because my wallet is already connected with this website, I won't get a prompt to connect wallet. However, I have to move on to the next step, which is to sign a message in my wallet. Now, Zeebu have conditions for validating your wallet address, and that condition is that you must hold minimum $15 of base Ethereum or $45 worth of Binance Smart Chain in your wallet. That is when you can be considered human. If you do not have any of these balances in your wallet, then you are considered Sibyl. Okay, so I am already holding $15 worth of base Ethereum in my wallet address, so I have successfully validated and I just connected my Twitter account as well, and I am already following Zeebu, so I'll just verify that, and you can see that I have received Zip reward for the verification. My wallet is authenticated successfully. Now I'm going to move on to the last part of this, which is to add my email address. Enter your email address, tap on submit, and then get the verification code that will be sent to your email address, or simply just use Google Sign-in, which is much more direct. So I have completed everything under Proof of Humanity verification, so I'll go back to Social Quest so that I can complete the rest of the tasks. So I'm going to tap on Start Quest. Now, the first part of this quest is to join Zeebu on Telegram. So tap on Login and it is going to take you to their Telegram bot. Tap on Continue. Then hit the Start button. And once you do that, you are automatically connected. So just go back to Zeebu and then verify. Tap on Verify your membership. Telegram connected and verified. Next, you have to subscribe to Zeebu YouTube channel. So tap on Login and then log in to YouTube with your Google account. Then tap on Subscribe button to subscribe to their YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, then go back to Zeebu. And then enter the YouTube username of the account you used to subscribe to their channel. Then tap on Confirm. YouTube task verified. Next, we have to follow Zeebu on Instagram, so I'll tap on Login. So I'll log into Instagram on this browser and then follow Zeebu on Instagram, and once I have done that, I'll go back to Zeebu to verify the task. I'll tap on Confirm. Instagram task completed and Zip reward received. And lastly, we are going to join Zeebu on Discord as well. So I am going to tap on Login. Scroll to the bottom and then tap on authorize, and once you have done that, go back to Zeebu and then verify. I am already in Zeebu Discord server, so I do not need to join. I'll just verify. Discord task completed. So we have completed every task that is under Zeebu social tasks. So I'll go back to tasks and I'm going to tap on claim zip. I have a total of 19,000 zip rewards to claim, and that is from my social task as well as finance tasks. If you complete finance tasks, it is a daily task, so you have to go back there every day and then claim your zip reward. And if your zip reward that you just claimed is not reflecting in your balance, like mine, just refresh your browser and it is going to reflect. So that is all about how to complete Zeebu finance task and then position for the first airdrop that will be claimable on December 1st, 2024. If you have any question about Zeebu airdrop, you can drop me a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this and join us on Telegram as well as on Medium. You'll find all the links that you need in the comment section for your convenience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial.